So we are going to pick our lettuce. So we just have to peel it off, I think, like that. And yeah. Should we take out all of them? Yeah, let's do that. And then we can eat it. This one too? Oh, the baby one. This is the big one. Ooh. Ooh, this is a huge one. Ooh. And the longest one. And then this one is, I don't know. Can't feel that one. I don't know. Look at this one. And I think that's enough for now. Just one more. Okay, yeah, that's enough. And we're gonna eat it. Oh, it's gonna be so yummy. Really? Wait, I want to pick a salad. You can just pick it out. No. Just here, like that. Yeah, just pull it. No, not that. Okay, that one. No, what? There you go. Yay. No, ew. You can't even wet it or watch. Ew.
洗えば食べれるよ。
Yeah. Well, lettuce out. There you go.
カイ君ももうちょっと取ったらそっち。そこ。
Let us out. Bye bye. Time to eat. I can't. Yummy. Nice and fresh. It's not lettuce. It's like lettuce. Because this is seaweed. It's called fresh lettuce. But it's like lettuce.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
It's yummy?
Mm.